What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. For me, 2024 is all about doing things that are outside my comfort zone. I'm doing push-ups in the morning, or at least attempting to. So today, I'm gonna spend a little time experimenting, doing one of the things I feel least comfortable doing, repainting dolls. I've attempted this a few times, like 7 years ago. 5 years ago, we did removable makeup. We've customized a few Dream Ella dolls by painting over the factory finish, like we did with this Naturalistas doll. Here's the doll in the box, and here she is out of the box. I got quite a few of these on sale from Target a while back. This is the character Paige, and she's a very close match to the blue tie-dye Made to Move Barbie. A few weeks back, I attempted a small repaint, and this is what I got. I tried to make her eyes smaller by painting thick eyeliner. But today, we're going to wipe her clean, because this is my little experiment doll. With a little soap and water and elbow grease, I can remove the acrylic paint to reveal her factory eyes. Disclaimer, there are a lot of different ways to repaint dolls. I am a total newbie at this. So today might be an absolute fail, but you know what? That just makes it a learning experience. Today, I am choosing to only use acrylic paint and Mod Podge, because if I make a mistake, I can easily clean it off and start over. I'm using a doll I have multiple copies of, just in case I ruin it forever and ever and ever. I have a backup. I put her in the Naturalistas Wash Day Fashion Pack, pull back her hair with the headband, and finished cleaning off her face. I'm doing this on the lowest budget possible, mainly with stuff I already have or items that are easy to find at a craft store. I got a pack of brushes at Michael's. It was like $10 for all of these. I just looked for the brushes with skinny tips. I'm using regular acrylic paint and a little water to thin it out. We're gonna start out simple and work our way up. Take a wet brush and get a little acrylic paint, and let's just paint some thicker eyeliner. I covered up the shine in her eye, so we just need to add that back, making her eyes look a little smaller. And you can see this when compared to the unpainted eye. However, since the iris is still the same size, it could also look like she just doesn't have her eyes all the way opened. Repeat for the other eye for something simple. For me, doing the eyeliner is a great way to just warm up and test the waters. I'm not great at doing human makeup, so this is all very much a learning process for me. And you are all coming along for the journey. And if I make a mistake, I can just wipe it off and start over. Definitely feeling more confident here. Let's do more. Right now, she has lavender eyeshadow. Let's use a little acrylic paint and repaint over it to make it brown. I add another brown right above it. This one's slightly darker, covering up more of the eyelashes and giving us a little shadow. Let's paint the eyeliner, repaint the lashes, to switch up the eyeshadow. Now let's add a little brown lip liner around the lips. I totally couldn't see that one, so I removed it, and we're adding a darker brown. And we're just gonna fade it a little at the corners. Then blend in a little red in the center to change up her lip color. That we can leave with a matte finish, or add a little watered down Mod Podge for a little shine. Let's take the Naturalista Dana and give her a look inspired by Barbie Style's Instagram. I place her in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water, so we can remove it and add it to a Made to Move body. Get her changed into the wash day clothes, and we are going to do something I'm really uncomfortable with: remove her eyes. I don't think I've ever done this before. Usually I just paint over it. But her eyes are just a little long for me, so let's give it a try. First, let's get that before shot. Then let's use nail polish remover to remove her factory eye paint. I'm gonna try to leave the eyebrows, only because I don't think I can make them even again. And I'm trying to leave the blush. Why make things harder on myself if I don't have to? All right, not too bad. This is the nail polish remover that I use. I buy it at Target and it's about $11.99. It's what I use for my nails as well. And this is the polish remover that I used to remove the glitter from the new Rainbow High dolls. I use watered down white paint to paint the white part of the eye. How in the world are we supposed to get this even? Oh no, this one is way smaller than that one. We are using acrylic paint, so I can just easily start over. And I'm not going to be hard on myself for not being perfect my first time doing this. It's a learning process. I'm using thin layers of watered down paint and just building up. Let it dry. I go around the eye with a thin dark brown. I'm keeping my paint very thin because I feel like it's easier to add to than to take away. Let's add a darker brown to make like a little shadow or a crease in the lid. Let's paint the iris. Oh boy, this is scary. Again, I am painting very light. I started with a watered down black and now I'm going in with a little brown. Oh wow, this is totally not easy for me. I feel like I'm having all kinds of issues with symmetry here. Let's add a little more brown in her eyes. Add a black dot in the center for a pupil. Okay, not terrible. Trust the process. Add the eyeliner, just trying to build up as I go. Let's add some eyelashes. I added a little bit more light brown in the corner of the eye. I repaint the lips just like before, only this time I'm using more of a tannish red, and I just drag the paint to create little lines in the lips. Let's add a few beauty marks because I love little details like that. Let's add a little Mod Podge to the lips for a little shine. In the Barbie style inspo photo, her hair was in large twist. So let's do that, where I take a section of hair, divide it into two pieces, then twist each piece away from myself individually. So now we have two pieces, and I'm going to take the piece in the back and twist it over the piece in the front. And then just repeat. And I secure the ends with a hair elastic. These large twists are very easy to do. However, if your doll has textured hair, there is a possibility that you could ruin the curl pattern forever. You've been warned. But I totally like the way she came out. I am so proud of myself right now. Honestly, going into this, I was kind of terrified. I don't really feel confident in my doll repainting skills, which is why I usually kind of avoid it. But you know what they say, practice makes better. Now let's get her something to wear. How about the Naturalista's pink top from the doll Grace, paired with a denim Barbie skirt and a white mini fashion bag? Or we can go with Brooklyn's oversized shirt if we want to take some inspo from Barbie Styles' Instagram. Or we can get sparkly. We gave Paige a little haircut and put her in an outfit from Carl Moss Designs on Etsy. So today was a lot of fun. I tried something new. I wiped the doll's eyes clean and then repainted them. I am so proud of myself because honestly, I was terrified. Oops, I forgot to put a shine in her eye. That's better. Thank you for joining us while we customized our dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And to all our Fabs and Besties who shop MyFroggyStuff merch, thank you for the support. And we will see you next time.